The bottom part is a sketch that I'm kind of referencing. Alright, so now I have the outline of the stencil created. I've thickened the line, and I'm making sure that they're not all connecting. So now that I got all the pieces, I think, cut, I should be able to lift it up, and then I can see if there's any spots that I missed. There's one there. Alright, so I cut out all of the shapes. I messed up the eye, unfortunately, as you can kind of see here. I cut too much off, but I should be able to kind of jerry-rig it so it's taped on there when I do the printing. But yeah, looks like it came out pretty good. It's a lot of loose space here, so maybe I should have left a small bridge here to kind of support it, but once it's flat, I mean, it should be fine, but it's just something to consider because there's a lot of loose plastic, but it's pretty good. Moving on to the next step. You can see I just put some Gorilla duct tape on there. Hopefully it holds. Only one way to find out. It's Geo! Alright, so I have the stencil set up here on the shirt. I have a piece of cardboard in between the shirt and the stencil to prevent any bleed through to the back of the shirt. And here's the speedball screen. So pretty much I'm just going to lay that on top, paint down there, and then squeegee it down to cover the stencil. I am going to actually tape the stencil in place, which I forgot to do. Okay, so I got the t-shirt set up. I put some border around it in case so I don't get any spill onto the fabric when I do it. Speedball fabric paint, white. I don't know if it really, I guess it doesn't really need to be mixed up. Generous amount right above where the stencil starts. Yeah. Take the squeegee. I'm sure there's nothing. Fabric, graphic top. Squeegee it down. Applying pretty good amount of pressure. Making sure it fills in all the spots. I'll go over it a couple times. Okay. I think I messed something up here, but I think it's gonna come out good anyway. I was supposed to put the stencil on top of the screen, I think. And now I gotta peel off the tape and risk getting paint on there. That's what I messed up. I forgot about that. I'll try and be careful. You can see couple of the spots where I missed didn't apply enough pressure maybe, but everything else looks pretty good, and the eyes actually came out kind of nice. That's cool. Alright, so this time I have it set up so the stencil is on the actual screen. As you can see when I lift it, it lifts with it. Oh yeah. Got it lined up where I think it should be. press too hard. It looks like it's in there pretty good. Oh gosh!
That's kind of cool, actually.
It's like his tongue's hanging out.
That's kind of cool.
While the paint was still wet, I used a plastic card to remove a little bit of it, make it look like a tongue hanging out of his mouth. Wow, isn't that great? Alright, bye!